Time fuck you bad. And dark same way. Bush wet same way. Don't know apple in a tree. So come up to apple tree. Don't know if look to apple, but come with guys. It's Cerasee. Yeah man. Cause it's mine. Or I do some Cerasee tea. Welcome guys, welcome to the channel. Don't mind my shirt, I do some work right about now, so I'm putting on a shirt here. Anyways, but I do some tea right about now. And everybody don't know the tea already, you know. It's a Cerasee tea, very bitter. And honestly, I don't want tea I like. But I decided to say, yo, I drink a cup because you know why I'm drinking some bitters, something bitter, you see me? So drink a cup. I don't know, Cerasee, good for you. A very nice tea. And everybody must drink a cup even once a week. Anyways, boom, I pick Cerasee I know and all that. And guys, I want to like the video. I want to comment down below and tell me one thing about that tea here. Comment below and tell me if you don't like Cerasee. Because I don't like it too bitter. I don't like nothing bitter. Yeah man, I want to shoot the video, let other people know about me and know about the channel and all that people. Shoot the video man. And also subscribe if you don't subscribe, you know. Make sure you subscribe, help me grow. By the way, share the video. You know, take nothing to do, just share the video. Easy cheesy. Yeah. So pick it Cerasee now. No, first. I'm pick up first. I don't know. Yeah, pick up first and then pick it Cerasee and then go inside and boil it. You see me? And people, it's a very nice feeling if you can wake up in the morning, go outside and pick a fruit, you see me? Very, very nice feeling. Yeah man, so I don't know the tree which same way, man, climb a tree same way. I don't know if I understand things, so you can climb it. Yeah. Drink me tea, even breakfast and we'll match up some work. Back, you see me? So yeah man, early morning now, time. Alright guys, leave them wet. So right now, I climb the tree and the tree shake up, be water drop on me. You see? See what I drop on the tree guys? Yeah man. But don't know I'm busy more that. I forget that bro. Yeah man guys, I play. Yeah man. The man is right though. You see me but the one here earth so can pick. Because in apple here, they don't have a black. For sweet as I tell them I'm not apple tree. And when they ping like this, sweet like a sugar. You see me, different breed apple that so. Pick the one here. Pick the one there, eat it, and then it's a recipe I'm gonna do what I have to do. You see me? Guys, I have a problem with rat. I eat half here, problem. I say get color to then eat them off. Man, to my job, the coconut bunker here, because in the pan, see the whole pan, guys. See, Cerasee I got no Cerasee. Cerasee there, basically everywhere. They go wild a bush. You see me? You will pass some people fence until they go up on the fence and so. You can go particularly everywhere and get Cerasee. So pick them and lane come back guys. See there guys? Yeah man. You can smell it already, it's bitter. Wow. Guys, this will be a hard task because I don't like Cerasee. Some people boil it and drink it same way fresh. Some people boil it and sweeten it with sugar. Some boil it and sweeten it with milk. But I just sweeten it with sugar and just turn your head. Now make it too hot, just turn your head and drink it with one go. It's because I don't like Cerasee and I already say yo, I have drink some Cerasee. Can't change my mind to drink it. You see me? Yeah man guys, I'm out in the berry because as one supposed to know, because next time I'm talk fast, you see me? You know, but get this boil up, wash it up now and throw in the pot. So link in the back. Alright, see here guys. In the pot now, I'm already now wait till the pot start boil up, but this and the correct way to boil bush tea, you know. Normally I think if you just boil the water and then put the Cerasee in it or whatever you have boiled, cover the pot, Like stay about 5 minutes. As you say, now boil it, dry it. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So I go on, you know. So this is good now. You know, boil it longer. Don't know what time now for sweeten. Guys, I don't think they turn some benefits of drinking this tea. As you know, Cerasee are very good tea, right? So it basically purge your blood. I don't know. I'm gonna say maybe you can drink a cup a week or every month you can drink a cup. Basically, to purge your system. I think they say you can drink it when your belly hurt you. Yeah. You can lower your sugar level. So good for your skin, people. You see, if a man have eczema, I think you can get the leaf, crush it, rub your skin. I can boil and drink it. I'm not sure how that works, people. So if you want to know more about that, you can just Google it and all of the benefits where this tea give. You see me? But we know say people normally drink it, you know, to purge them blood, to flush their system. Yeah, man. Most kids now drink it, you know, because it's very, very better. I would say just Google it and it's all the health benefits, because I don't really know all of them. But just know the common one. Flush your system, purge the blood. You see me? So yeah, guys. So I drink it here now. Try it on camera, you know. Yeah, man. But the best thing if you do Cerasee, if you dry it, then you dry it. You can always have so much work where dry, put down, where you dry when you want. You know, brown paper bag or newspaper. Yeah. So try it now. But at one time, one drink, one go. You know that bad, no people. You know that bad. You know that bad. You know. So guys, but drink something or taste something to take out that. Put the taste out of my mouth. Yeah, man. So if you ready to that, let me get to the end of the video. You need some work, I know, you know. Yeah, man. As me have a clip of morning. Do some work, I know. So give it a like, drop in the comments and tell me how to prepare for no tea. Yeah, tell me how to prepare for such a tea. If only like a Cerasee one time, if fresh or with milk or with sugar. Because me personally do it tea, you know. I don't Cerasee tea. And then drink it at 9 morning. Yeah, man, because I don't know if you can to feed on them tea here, because them tea make the get too thin. Yeah, man. So share the video, give it a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna say, you know, what I want to share the channel link for the channel to grow. You see me? Yeah, man, that's do it for me. But do you right, man? And follow the IG, Jeff876 and Yes Adventures. The link to page them in the description, so scroll down, click it, go over there, and give me a follow. Yeah, man, so look at more, guys.